Good morning, everybody. Today we are achieving one of Katrina's dreams from childhood. We are arriving in Chengdu research base of the giant panda breeding. The place in the world where the most amount of pandas are gathering is a massive conservation center and research facility that now is also turned into a tourist attraction where no, we cannot touch pandas, but where yes, maybe we see them. I have a hunch that everything that we see from now on is going to be panda based. Look at that little panda entrance. She gave our kids. Ooh, panda bending machines. We are a little bit tired from yesterday's big walk in town, but nothing is gonna get on the way between us and those fluffy black and white balls. What we heard is some people really underestimate how massive this place is. Center opens at 7, it's around 7:30 already. The reason we come so early, even though you see it's very crowded already, is to try to walk the entire place.
And to see as many pandas as possible.
I mean, at the entrance it looks like we are surrounded by pandas' necks. These necks. Oh, so pretty. I hope we get to see at least 25 pandas today.
25,000 pandas.
25,000 pandas today. It's actually so cool that you have like little pieces of information and questions through the entire park. This is the one that I'm the most curious of. What is the IQ level of a giant panda? Pandas are very intelligent creatures, however they have no specific studies of their IQ levels. Well, that is a massive crowd. I am assuming there might be some panda going on. Honestly, there's a big wave of people coming in and out. I think the key point would be to try to match being on the areas when the crowd leaves. At the moment that we arrived, there were like hundreds of people watching. Now it's a tiny bit less, and it's exactly the same thing. So it feels much more enjoyable to be in the middle of this area. No crowd. He's just so cute. Look at him. More panda, very close panda. So far, what we read about is that, with heat, pandas normally hang out indoors. So it was recommended to come on early times to try to catch them when the coldest time of the day is. We've been reading some reviews when people were saying that we were there for many hours, we only saw 2 or 3. We have been here legit 10 minutes, and this is the third that we see, and this is the cutest one so far. He's just chilling.
It's very meditative.
He's taking there in the middle of nature, just looking up, looking down. That neck looks good.
Just enjoying life, just eating. Unless what if the reason they eat so much is they are actually full of eating disorders and overeating, and he's like compulsive eating right now.
Maybe they have like short-term memory and they're eating and they're like, how are you eating?
So cute. But how do they not get extremely fat?
Have you seen them?
No, they're just chunky and nice.
Have you ever seen a panda running?
What?
The York. You don't only have regular giant pandas. You also have red pandas. And that's the one that I'm the most excited to see now. Panda bat. He's such a sassy ass, eh? So cute. fluffy. They're so fluffy.
Yeah.
Oh, I just want to hug them so badly.
Super good.
It looks a mix between like a squirrel, a cat, and a bear. The fact that we can manage to do this so smoothly and we're finding the animals like this, it's very lucky. There's many of them, baby! Oh, there's so many together! These rascals.
I just can't get over how useless they are. Like, what is the purpose of this animal?
We've been here legit 10 minutes. It's just like zero movement whatsoever, you know? They're steady on the same spot. They just move a little bit.
Yeah.
They even feel like when they stretch to grab one of the bamboo leaves, they feel like they're doing like...
Oh, so curious. What do you bring to the ecosystem of this world? I need to know. They're so cute. Is it just cuteness? Is it just like endorphin? Oxytocin?
They are so beautiful though. Many of the physiques of the animals are really made to either camouflage or either to, like as a survival instinct, like to predate other animals. I just don't see the one with Panda.
They're super visible.
They are super visible. They seem to be having fun and eating all the time.
They have a strong jaw, but they don't eat animals. And they climb trees, but for who? Nobody eats them.
Yeah. You're hanging out there, my boo. Oh. Well, it seems that the Red Panda nursery home is open, but there are maybe not tiny red pandas. We are on an area right now, and as you can see, you have a little feeding section here for the little pandas. The red pandas are such a beautiful animal. It is like the colors are so pretty. It's actually crazy to think how endangered they are. There's so little of them. When you look at them now, they look so peaceful and so gorgeous. Like, come on, man, look at this. Oh, Jesus Christ, you cute. What's up, bro? For some reason, when we saw like the nursery home, I thought it was gonna be like entering on a place to see like the baby panda.
I think it is, because you can see how much more playful this area is compared to the grown-ups. So I think it is. I think it's just that we are confusing how babies they are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, probably the reviews that I saw about this place, about people not being able to see many, it's just either bad luck or either choosing the wrong time on the day, on a hot day, because we are seeing a lot of them.
Yeah.
A lot of them.
Yeah.
Like we have easily gone to like 9-10 parts of the park with.
We've seen pandas in every single one. So people need to get up earlier.
Yeah, the fact that it's 7 o'clock and then it's also right now in the morning is still like not reaching 20 degrees. And in the afternoon you get to 30s, but now we are lucky enough that early morning is the right temperature for the pandas to be outside and be comfortable, or at least they look comfortable. But they don't seem to be like bothered at all either by people, weather, temperature, or anything else but their bamboo sticks. It looks like a child's story. Erland has fluffy ears and likes to bathe and climb trees. Oh, can you be any cuter? 2 weeks. Oh, 1 month and or either
it's a really pretty, nice park. They do a lot of work to maintain it and keep it really nice. So they have loads of colorful flowers, there's loads of pretty trees. They're cleaning the streets all the time. So it looks really nice.
Panoramic Canteen. Well, we haven't had any breakfast and I am starving. So let's see, we found some panda snacks. Panda snacks. It is, to be fair, it's fairly fun that everything is so panda based.
Yeah.
Like pandas. Nothing like a 10 a.m. burger. Nothing like a poor but delicious burger.
So soggy and nice.
They're very soggy. It's awesome the effort that they are making here in order to try to repopulate the world with more pandas. Because as of now, there are, I think there's 1,900 wild pandas in the mountains in China. They normally hang out on the 3,000 meters elevation area. And then you have around 700 pandas in captivity. On the last 10 years or something like that, like the population of captive pandas have doubled. Have gone from 400 to almost 800. It's hard work because pandas, they do not reproduce that much. Yeah, they seem to be very focused on their hobbies of eating bamboos. Who would have said that those cutie pies have a stronger bite force than a brown bear and a polar bear? You see, in this area, I like less. This feels more like a zoo.
Yeah, there's more people here than I thought.
Yeah, and I think perhaps like how it is constructed, it makes it look like there's actually more people. But I get it. I guess you can get down here and actually see them from very close. I don't think we can get any luckier than what we are. Like, it feels, at any moment, it feels like we can go, you know? We have got what we wanted. But now we get these two little pandas on the tree. Look at this. The level of spoil that we have right now is, I am not thinking anymore like, let's hope we are lucky on the next place. I'm thinking like, let's see what's next. You know, like let's see what's the next journey. These animals are awesome. It just feels that like the natural nature of the panda, it's entertaining.
Yeah.
There's not like everything they do, it just finds something amusing for us. Like the way that they play, the way that they look smiley, they look chilly, the way they stretch, the way they eat their food.
It's like goofy.
It's a very goofy animal.
Very goofy. Silly goose.
It's a silly goose.
That's so beautiful.
Makes sense. If the weather is very bad or it's really hot or something, you always have like an indoor park where like the animals keep protected. Very cool. This is so pretty.
Yeah.
Well, we are on our way to the last part of the park. I am very satisfied.
So satisfied.
This is if any time that like I would sign for an experience where you have a percentage of chances to see certain things. This was 100% on 100%. That was all that I ever wanted to see. I saw my red pandas from very close. We saw the normal pandas hanging around, playing, eating, and so many of them.
So many.
So many.
So many cubs, so many giant adult ones.
Also the fact that we are not in a rush, in a way. When we arrive in one place and it was really crowded, you just wait there for a minute or two and then everybody goes away, so then you have your time to actually enjoy it and experience it. So enjoyable. Yeah, 10 out of 10. $7. That's like probably one of the cheapest like activities that I've ever had the experience to do with such a reward. 19,000 steps later. Yay.
Is it good? Thank you. 谢谢. Perfect.
Clearly we have to commemorate with a panda ice cream. like the pandas on the tree. Yum.
Oh, it's nice.
So happy this is not just for the flashy. So happy that this is not just like for showing, you know, that is like an actual good flavor here.